Welcome to WafaTech. In this video, we'll guide you through creating and managing security groups and attaching them to your servers. Step 1. Navigate to Networking. From the main dashboard, select Networking on the left side menu. Here, you can manage all network-related settings. Step 2. Create a security group. Click on Create Security Group to start setting up your new security group. Fill in the required details. Location. Choose the desired location, for example, Jeddah. Name. Provide a name for the security group, such as Security Customer Rules. Description. Describe the purpose of the security group. In this example, we'll use, "These rules are applied for my ERP servers." Once you've filled in the details, click on Create Security Group. Step 3. Add security group rules. After creating the security group, it's time to add rules to control traffic. Click on Add Rule. Fill in the rule details. Rule. Select the protocol type. Here you can choose from options like Custom Protocol or All Protocols. Direction. Select the traffic direction. Ingress for incoming or egress for outgoing traffic. Open port. Specify the port. For instance, port 22 for SSH. Remote. Choose the remote IP range or security group. Ether type. Select either IPv4 or IPv6. Once the details are filled in, click on Add Rule. Step 4. Attaching security group to a server. Navigate to the Server section from the main dashboard. Select the server to which you want to attach the security group. Go to the Security Groups tab. Click on Attach Security Group. Select the desired security group from the list and click Save to apply the changes. Step 5. Managing security groups. You can view all created security groups in the Networking section under the Security Groups tab. Here you can see details such as the name, description, and rules of each group. To edit or delete rules, select a security group and click on the delete icon next to the rule you wish to remove. Let's summarize with an example. We created a security group named Security Customer Rules for our ERP servers located in Jeddah. We added a rule for SSH access, rule Custom Protocol, direction Ingress, open port 22, protocol TCP, remote CIDR, CIDR 0.000 allows access from any IP. Ether type IPv4. Security groups are essential for securing your servers by controlling traffic based on specified rules. This guide has shown you how to create, manage, and attach security groups to servers in WafaTech, ensuring only authorized traffic can access your resources. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates from WafaTech.